This has been a phenomenal weekend for us. You know, this is the 12th year that we've done the Jersey Boat Show. Every year it gets bigger and better. The crowds are here to support us.
And it's lovely that anyone can come along, whoever, you know, whichever walk of life you're from.
Barclays have been our sponsor for 10 years. Wonderful sponsors. Not only are they very generous for their financial support, but it's the way they get involved.
For the Navy, it's special because it's the maritime community. It really gets the maritime season going. We've been coming here now for 11 years. We get a fantastic welcome and allows people to come and meet sailors and Royal Marines.
We're really passionate about keeping it a community event, but also it's a great showcase to Jersey as an island and what we can offer through the marine leisure industry, and also a great showcase for the local businesses that are here selling their wares.
It's the start of the island's festival and fun.
Already we're getting people asking us, how do we get involved next year, which demonstrates really how popular the event has been, certainly amongst participants.